I hate cobwebs in my house. I hate them because one, they usually mean a spider is or has been living somewhere in my living room, and two, a spider is or has been living somewhere in my living room. So when I see them, I want to clean them up ASAP. The only problem is they're usually up high, so when I stand on a chair, I typically see the top of my curtains are dusty. So I take them down for a wash. Of course, some of the dust ends up on my sofa or a rug. And the next thing you know, I'm in full-blown domino effect cleaning. Because once you find dusty grossness, more tends to show up. Sin in my life is a lot like that dusty grossness. I'm bitter about something, which causes me to be anxious, and then I get angry at myself, my husband, or a friend for no good reason. And the next thing I realize, everything and everyone is miserable, and I have to clean it all up. For a time, it seems okay until I'm covered in sin again. My point is, no matter how much cleaning I do, sin will always be in my life. Romans 3 says it like this: no one will be declared righteous in God's sight by the works of the law. That means I can't become clean on my own by following the rules. But righteousness is given through faith of Jesus Christ to all who believe. This means if I placed my faith in God, I'm justified freely by His grace. Now, that doesn't mean I'll never sin again, because trust me, I will a lot. It means God is the one who will do the cleaning in my heart and soul, not me. So next time you or I feel the need for spontaneous domino effect cleaning of our heart, no matter how much we scrub, it's not going to get clean. That's our Savior's job.